Alrighty guys, here it is right here. 2006 Dodge Charger. Alright, now they say it won't pull, it won't go. It was towed in. Alright, whoa, do y'all see that? Holy crap, ladies and gentlemen. 318,000 miles. Alright, starts and run. Okay, that has to be either a 3.5 or a 2.7 liter Chrysler V6 engine. Now, will this thing move? Inquiring minds want to know. That's what it was towed in for. I'm in reverse. Stepping on the gas, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not moving. Alright, so the engine's working because it's running. Transmission, maybe? That's very possible. Alright, before I do anything, I can't do nothing. The damn thing won't move. Let me put it back in. Let's go take a look at something under the hood. Now, even though this is a 2.6, it's still a Dodge Charger. Alright, and chances are there's no dipstick. Alright, there's likely a dipstick too, but there's no dipstick. That's a bad sign right there. If this can't, ooh, look at all this red. Okay, something's going on. Now it's starting to make sense why it's not pulling, y'all. All right, let's take a look. All right, yep, just as I thought, no dipstick. However, there's a dipstick tube. I need to check the channel. Oh, ooh, I got red fluid. Okay, guys, chances are this thing has no fluid in it. All right, so technically the transmission still could be good. Yeah, you will not move if there's no fluid in you. So I wouldn't cancel off the transmission or the engine for that matter. Now this is 3.5, guys. Yes, this thing is timing belt driven. All right, so yeah, they can last a long time. Pretty much keep up the timing belt. It's timing belt driven. Keep up the timing belt and the water pump and things like that. This engine will go forever. Yeah, we still had ticking issues a while back, but they rectified that a long time ago. But I got bigger problems. All of that is transmission fluid, guys. So this thing technically will not pull because there's no transmission fluid in it. All right, this is a short video. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for the full video. I'm gonna go get some transmission fluid. Oh man, look, I guarantee you all of this came from this car. Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't pay no attention. Oh yeah, ding 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 ding. Okay, this is a short video. Y'all stay tuned. I'll let y'all know what happened on the long video. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I don't see it. I had some extra transmission fluid over here from that transmission we did. Remember they didn't send us Mopar fluid. They sent us some other kind of fluid. I think my helper threw that stuff away. Here's the trap Pennzoil. Here it is. Oh my goodness, this guy. Alright, yes guys, I told him I didn't need no more of this fluid because I never plan on using it again. However, perfect timing. Y'all see that? Pennzoil Platinum ATF Plus for FCA ATF Force approved. So I'm gonna use this to put in that transmission. Let me grab a screwdriver because some knucklehead tightened the damn intake. The cover. All right, so we're gonna use this. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and use all of these, okay? Because like I say, this transmission was fairly had to be empty because it won't move at all. Only a super empty transmission would cause that. All right, has no fluid in it. I'm assuming leaks from this cooler right here because I see cooling all over the place. So let me put the rest of these fluids in here. All right, that's all the extra Pennzoil fluid we have. All right, let's fire it up and see what the hell gonna happen. Better hurry, better hurry. Where's it coming from? I hear it. I hear it. I don't see it. Where? All right, guys, it's definitely coming from the front. You know why I say that? Because, yeah, I got leaks right there. And you can see all of it now. Yeah, I need a cooler, guys. Yeah, that's why my transmission going, fluid going. That's why the transmission won't pull. So I'm gonna sell a trans cooler as well as a transmission service. All right, service, go in there and get that filter out of there, man. So I think guys, this line is not on here. Let me see if I can get y'all what y'all see down there. Y'all see what's happening? This line is not even on here. Holy crap, look, freaking line ain't even on there, guys. I bet they forgot to put the pin back. Y'all know how the pin go around that? Oh my goodness, so all the coolant pushes out of the other end. That's what's going on. Cousin Pookie strikes again. Look. Look, this line ain't even on there, guys. But the fluid, so the pump is pushing the fluid out through the other line, and the fluid is coming out of the other port. I bet you, guys, all right, yeah, they told me this left enough. Cousin Pookie strikes again. It was at his shop. All right, I got to fix that connection, guys. That's what's wrong with this car. Y'all stay tuned. Guys, I'm about to fuss a little bit. To my new mechanics, to you mechanics out there that just starting out, guys, everything don't have to be tight. Let me tell y'all what I'm talking about. Now, I'm outside, right? I'm outside trying to diagnose this car, and I have a car with a transmission leak. Now, to gain access to things I need to view, I need to remove this, get this out of my way. Yeah, good news. There's no bolt right here, so I don't need no tubes, right? I can just simply lift up on this. I can take this hose off without a tube, lift up on this. But here's the deal. Some guy that worked on this last, they take these screws. Look, guys. Yeah, normally I have a penny in my pocket. I can just put in there and do this. But no, I don't have a penny and no coins in my pocket, so I can't do it. Mechanics, new guys. No, guys, you don't have to crank these down. Now, I get if this was a mass airflow sensor and, you know, the amount of air coming through here is crucial. There can't be any leaks at all. Yeah, but this is speed density map sensor. And I know that's petty things to think about, but there's a temp sensor right here that monitors the temperature of the air, but it has nothing to do with the amount of air going to. My point is, you don't have to crank these all the way down. I have to go walk all the way in the freaking shop to get a tool, man. Stop it already. Golly. Ooh, ready, guys, real quick. 05 Chrysler 300, guys, with the, y'all recognize this, 3.5. Y'all recognize these spark plug. That is because I'm getting ready to do a tune-up, okay? Yes, yeah, that word tune-up is simply freaking spark plugs. But y'all know me, I go further than that, okay? Got to make sure this car can breathe, make sure that PCV valve working as designed. What are they hiding that PCV valve? Things back there on the valve cover, guys. Now, guys, I had to go back up to the parts department and get one of these. Check this out. I don't know how many of y'all have done a tune-up on a 3.5. This EGR, this little blue EGR seal go right there on that tube. Yeah, these things are usually cut. This is an older car, so it may be cut. I don't want to chance it, so I went and got a new one. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on, lube it up a little bit, so it'll fit firmly into this intake manifold and will not give me any intake air leaks or anything like that. So I got a little work to do, guys. Simple old tune-up. Again, make sure the air filter is clean.